Hello. Here are some simple, everyday English conversations. Let's start. Asking for a raise. Hi, Mr. Thompson. Do you have a minute?
Sure, Sarah. Come in. What's on your mind?
Well, I wanted to talk about my salary.
Okay. Go on.
I've been here for 2 years now, and I've taken on more responsibilities.
That's true. You've done great work.
Thank you. So I was wondering if we could discuss a raise?
I see. What kind of increase were you thinking?
Maybe 10%, based on my performance and market rates.
That's quite a bit.
I've exceeded all my goals this year and brought in 3 new clients.
You have. Let me talk to HR about this.
When do you think I'll hear back?
Give me a week. I'll see what I can do.
I really appreciate it.
You deserve it. Thanks for your hard work.
Thank you for considering it.
Of course. Talk to you soon.
At the emergency room.
Ow, ow, ow. It hurts so much.
Try to stay calm. We're almost at the hospital.
I think I broke my ankle.
Just breathe. Okay, we're here.
I can't walk.
Lean on me. We need help.
What happened? He fell down the stairs about 20 minutes ago. Can you put any weight on it?
No, it's killing me.
Okay, let's get you in a wheelchair. Did he hit his head? I don't think so, just his ankle. Any other pain? Back? Neck?
Just my ankle.
We'll get you to a room and take x-rays. How long will this take? Emergency rooms can be slow, maybe a few hours.
Hours? I can't wait that long.
I know it hurts, but we'll give you pain medicine. It's okay, I'll stay with you.
Thanks. This is the worst day ever.
Breaking up with someone.
Hey, we need to talk.
Okay. What's wrong?
This is hard to say, but I don't think this is working anymore.
What? What do you mean?
We've been fighting a lot lately. We want different things.
But we can work on it. Every couple fights.
It's more than that. I'm not happy anymore.
So that's it? You're just giving up?
I'm not giving up. I just think we're not right for each other.
I can't believe this. Is there someone else?
No, it's not like that at all.
Then why now? Everything was fine.
It hasn't been fine for months. We both know that.
I guess I just didn't want to see it.
I'm really sorry. You deserve someone better.
So do you. I'll get my things this week.
Take your time. I'm really sorry it ended this way.
Me too.
Dealing with a difficult customer. This is unacceptable. I've been waiting for an hour.
I'm very sorry for the wait, ma'am. Let me help you right away.
Sorry isn't good enough. This is terrible service.
I completely understand your frustration. What seems to be the problem?
I ordered a table 3 weeks ago and it still hasn't arrived.
Oh no. Let me look up your order.
I've called 5 times already. Nobody helps me.
I sincerely apologize. What's your order number?
It's T4567. I have it written down somewhere.
I found it. I see the issue. It was sent to the wrong warehouse.
See? This is ridiculous. I need that table.
I will fix this immediately. I can expedite shipping at no charge.
When will I actually get it?
It will arrive by Friday. I guarantee it.
Fine. But if it doesn't come, I want a full refund.
Absolutely. And I'll give you 20% off for the inconvenience.
Oh, well, thank you.
It's the least I can do. Here's my direct number.
Okay, thank you for actually helping. Gossiping at work. Oh my God, did you hear about Jennifer?
No, what happened?
She got caught sleeping with the boss.
What? Are you serious?
I heard it from Linda, who heard it from accounting.
Wait, that's just a rumor though, right?
No, apparently someone saw them at a hotel.
Oh, wow. That's so messy.
And his wife just had a baby last month.
No way, that's terrible.
I know. People are saying she might get promoted because of it.
That's not fair to everyone else who actually works hard.
Life's not fair. Don't tell anyone I told you.
My lips are sealed. Do you think they'll get caught?
I think HR probably already knows. These things always come out.
Should we be talking about this? We could get in trouble.
Relax. Everyone's talking about it.
Still. Anyway, did you finish the report?
Always so responsible. Arguing with a spouse.
You forgot to pick up the kids again?
I had a meeting. You know I've been busy.
You're always busy. I had plans too.
Oh, please. You were just watching TV.
That's not the point. You promised you would do it.
Well, you forgot last week too.
That was one time. You do this constantly.
I can't believe you're keeping score.
I'm not keeping score. I'm just exhausted.
I'm tired too. We're both stressed.
Yeah, we can't keep fighting like this.
I know. I'm sorry, I forgot.
I'm sorry for yelling. We need to communicate better.
You're right. Maybe we should make a shared calendar?
That's actually a good idea.
We're a team, remember?
Yeah, I love you, even when you drive me crazy.
I love you too, you grumpy man. Canceling plans last minute. Hey, Alex.
Hey, are you on your way?
About that. I'm so sorry, but I can't make it tonight.
What? We've had these plans for 2 weeks.
I know. Something came up at work.
Work? It's Saturday night.
My boss needs this presentation done by Monday morning.
Can't you do it tomorrow?
I tried, but it's way more work than I thought.
Oh, this is the 3rd time you've canceled this month.
I know. I'm really sorry. I feel terrible.
I already got us tickets. They're non-refundable.
I'll pay you back, I promise.
It's not about the money. I was really looking forward to this.
Me too. Can we reschedule for next weekend?
I don't know. I might have plans.
Please, I'll make it up to you. Dinner's on me.
Fine, but don't cancel again.
I won't. Thank you for understanding.
Yeah, whatever. Talk later.
Awkward encounter with an ex.
Oh no.
Sarah? Wow. Hi.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
Good. Just, shopping. You?
Same, just getting some groceries.
So, how have you been? It's been, 6 months?
Yeah, about that. I've been fine.
Oh, you're engaged. Congratulations.
Thanks. Yeah, we got engaged last month.
That's great, really. I'm happy for you.
Thanks. Are you seeing anyone?
Nah, not really. Still single.
I'm sure you'll find someone.
Well, I should probably get going.
Yeah, me too. It was good seeing you.
You too. Take care of yourself.
You too. Bye.
That was weird.
Late night food craving.
Babe, Are you awake?
What? What time is it?
It's midnight. I'm hungry.
Seriously? Go back to sleep.
But I really want tacos.
At midnight? Ugh, make a sandwich.
Come on, that taco place is open till 2 a.m.
No way. I'm not getting dressed.
Please, I'll drive. You just have to come with me.
Why can't you go alone?
It's weird to eat tacos alone at midnight.
You're ridiculous. What kind of tacos?
Whatever you want. My treat.
Fine, but I'm wearing pajamas.
Yes, I love you.
I know. You're lucky I love you too.
Yes, best girlfriend ever.
Don't make this a habit, though.
I won't. Let's go before I starve.
Trying to wake up early.
I'm so tired. I can't wake up.
You say that every morning. What time did you go to bed?
Around midnight, I was watching videos on my phone.
That's why you're tired. You need to sleep earlier.
I know, but I can't help it.
You really need to put your phone away at night.
You're right. I have no self-control.
At least you admit it. What time do you have to be at work?
9 o'clock? What time is it now?
It's already 7:30. You need to hurry.
Oh, no. I don't have time for breakfast.
Just grab something quick. Maybe a banana or some toast?
Good idea. Can you make me coffee while I shower?
Fine, but you owe me.
Thank you. You're the best.
I know. No, go. You're going to be late.
Okay, I'm going.
And tonight, no phone after 10 o'clock.
Yes, Mom.
I'm serious. You need better sleep.
I promise I'll try.
Good. Now go shower. The coffee will be ready in 5 minutes.
You're amazing. Thank you.
Just don't make this a habit.
I won't. See you in a few minutes.
Yeah. Hurry up.